Hey guys, so I got vaccinated today. It's been exactly an hour and a half. Yeah, I got it around at 11:30. Came back home, took a shower and everything. Made sure that everything is sanitized. Changed my clothes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm making this vlog to update people about what happens post vaccination. My diet before this has consisted of protein, a lot of protein, say about 180 to 200 grams of protein a day, and some carbs, of course, but mostly protein. And so I want to see what the way in which it impacts my day to day. But I'm not gonna stop my daily routine. I'm gonna work out like I always do. I'm gonna do everything like just another day. I just want to see and update people about all the rumors that you get from getting vaccinated. So I just want to update regarding that. Right? All right. So today is technically bicep day for me. From the rumors that I've heard, you get a little feverish or headaches or body aches later on during the evenings, right? So I've decided to change my routine a little bit. What I'll do is I'll do my biceps now. I usually do it in the evenings, but I'll do it in the afternoon. It's 1:10 right now. Might as well finish it now in case I don't feel well later on. At least I'll be able to get it done. So just one more update. Before going for the vaccination, I took one scoop of a protein shake, and after coming back, after taking a shower, I took another protein shake again. Not because of the vaccination, but I just don't want to change my protein intake just because of the vaccination, right? So yeah. So I'm done with my bicep training. It's about 3 p.m. now. I sort of overdid it because I did some core training also, ab training, because I don't want to leave anything for the evening. I usually do it after 5 and finish by 7, but this time I finished it earlier. I'm gonna have lunch now. I'm feeling all good, all fresh. I feel strong. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so lunchtime. This is what my lunch these days look like. Let me just turn the camera around. So yeah, this is it. This is just gravy, and I have some chicken and some scrambled egg whites and boiled eggs and spinach and 3 roti. So that's lunch. All right, bon appetit. Yeah, so fresh update. It's about 9 o'clock right now. I expected this vlog to have more, things to talk about after hearing everything that all those people taking vaccines say. I thought there would be something more here. So far nothing. I feel the same as any other day. There's nothing new about this. So yeah. But I won't end the vlog here. I'll wait till tomorrow morning, because some people say that people feel a little, I don't know what, the next morning. So we'll find that out. Anyways, off to dinner now. I'll have my dinner, sleep off, and let's see what happens till tomorrow morning. Right. So luckily I clicked a photo of the dinner, but I totally forgot to vlog. I have some paracetamol with me in case it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? So yeah, right. So ciao, good night. Morning guys. Woke up this morning as fresh as ever. I didn't have any problems last night, nothing at all. If there's something to learn from this vlog, it's that if you eat right, if you work out, you should be good from most small problems, right? Hey guys, so I totally and truly believe that whether you work out or not, if you put the right kind of things in your stomach for most of the week, meaning if you cut down on the simple carbs a little bit, increase your protein intake, a little bit of fat intake, it helps you avoid a lot of the problems that most people out there face, right? So yeah, I hope that some of you start eating right, and not just for the reasons of this vlog, but just for an overall healthy lifestyle, right? Anyways, yeah, with that I end this vlog. Please do like, share, and subscribe.